In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website on Wix without using AI. Whether you're a beginner exploring the world of website creation or someone with a bit of experience, we're going to walk through this process step by step to ensure you can create a stunning website all by yourself. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the My Sites page on Wix.com. This is where all the magic begins. You'll see a dashboard that features your existing sites if you have any. On this page, find the button that says Create New Site and give it a click. Once you've done that, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to set up your site. For this tutorial, we'll be focusing on setting it up without the help of AI, so you'll want to select the option that says Set up without chat. Next, you'll need to define the type of website you want to create. Take a moment to think about your goals for this site. Are you creating a blog, an online store, or perhaps a portfolio to showcase your work? Type in your website category in the provided text box. This step is crucial as it helps Wix tailor the available designs and templates that will best suit your needs. Once you've identified the type of site, click Continue. Now it's time to start designing. Click on Design Site, and you'll be taken to a selection of templates. You'll see a variety of professionally designed templates categorized by different types of businesses and personal projects. Browse through the options. Choosing a template that aligns with your vision and needs is key. Remember, the template is just a starting point. You'll be able to customize it to truly make it your own. Once you've selected a template, click Edit. This will open up the Wix editor where you can add your personal touch. Start by clicking on Add Elements, where you'll find various features to enrich your site, such as text boxes, images, buttons, and much more. These elements help you build the structure and navigation of your site. Similarly, use the Add Section button to modularly add different sections to your website, which can enhance both the site's organization and aesthetic. Explore the Pages and Menu option to easily manage your site's navigation, ensuring users can move around your website fluidly. To enhance the visual appeal, navigate to Site Design. Here you can tweak the colors, fonts, and overall theme, ensuring consistency and visual allure. Further, explore the Add Apps option to integrate functionalities like galleries, contact forms, or even e-commerce capabilities, depending on your website's needs. Lastly, don't forget to check out the Media section, where you can add visuals to enrich your site. Visual content can engage users significantly and leave a lasting impression. By following these steps, you're well on your way to creating a personalized, professional website with Wix, all without relying on AI. Best of luck with your web creation journey.